To join the work neatly in the round, cast on one extra stitch than what your pattern calls for. And then with the last stitch that you cast on the right hand needle and the first stitch that you cast on in the left hand needle, make sure all of your stitches are facing the inside of the needle. So you'll notice here I have a little twist. I'm going to turn these stitches around to make sure that I don't have any twists in the work. Okay, so once I've made sure everything's facing the inside, I'm going to slip the first stitch over from the left needle to the right needle, and I'll do that again. I'm slipping it like a purl stitch, so my right hand needle is going down the stitch and I'm sliding it over. Then I'm going to take the second to last stitch on the right hand needle and bring it over the stitch I just slipped and pass it over the needle and the stitch like a bind off. And that is one nice way to join your work in the round without a big gap. Then you would place the marker and begin working your project. Happy knitting!